Hello viewers, welcome back to Avishek Tech Pro, the best proxy panel MobileHop. Here we have to spin to package first. There is a different type of proxies. We can get IP from here for very low cost. Single hop $5 hourly. Multi-hop proxies $60, 24 hours. Is to incognito browser. You can make payment from here, Visa, Mastercard, etc. We have whole proxy here. I can buy proxy from here and sell to others people. $60 weekly. Click this. Use to proxy. You can see the license from here. We have to get all the proxies. Please view proxy details. We have many proxies here. We can use different state proxy, world proxy, US. We can click connect to use any proxy. Please click this Texas connected, click. VPN profile, L2TP pro VPN, HTTP SOCKS 5 proxy. We can take HTTP and SOCKS 5 to format. From here we need to copy the address and port. Then we need to provide username and password. IP reset API key. Auto IP renewal. Swell setting is very simple. The first reset IP. Replace. Swallow case HTTP and SOCKS 5 the proxy. The connected done. Incognito browser has been downloaded. We will open the incognito browser and set up the proxy. Finish. Click this open. Okay. Username and password, give this and sign in, click. Capture BAEOIP. Please confirm. Check my 64-bit your computer. My computer 64-bit and click update, and now we will open it. Now we have deleted a previous browser. Click on profile to create a new profile. At first give us your browser name, profile name, to mobile proxy, MobileHop, browser name, any browser name, group name, any group name, Windows, Mac, version, any version used to that. The add proxy, proxy type, my proxy type HTTP proxy, address and port, username, password. Also copy proxy address to port and paste. Proxy user, copy and paste. Password, copy and paste. Done. Check proxy. My proxy is okay. United States of America, Chicago. Okay. Done proxy. Create a profile. Create profile. Click this. My profile done. Click start to run the profile. See, your profile is run very nicely. We will check the process. Word.net. Word.net interface. My proxy is very nicely. MobileHop. Please see, this way you can create unlimited profile from here and use MobileHop proxy. Very nicely panel. Thank you very much.